Well, today for our buying animal association thing, whatever, I am the seller and that guy's the buyer. Now sit down in your chair. Okay, so for our first one, our first one is this very spectacular dog. I mean, look at that. Isn't that a beauty? Here, you get to hold it. Check it out. Check it out. I guess that's a no. For our second one is this beautiful black grizzly bear. I mean, he's as soft as a pillow. Has 2 legs, 2 arms, 1 head, 2 eyes, a mouth, a nose, a head, 2 ears. Let's see what our buyer says. Guess that's a no also. And for our last one, our last okay one, I should say, is this rubber lion. See? Face is kind of happy. Long body with a tail. Skadoosh. You should read the warnings just in case you have some children. Okay? Look at those spikes. Let's see what our buyer says. Guess that's a no. And for a super duper dollar savings amount today, it was originally $50, and now it's only 1,000,000 gajillion bucks. It's this man-eating bird. Yeah, got some arrows, yeah. Got a bit of long nose. Let's see what our buyer says. I take that as a yes. Is that a yes? Is that a yes? Is that a yes? Is that a yes? Security! Okay, well, we gotta ring it up. We gotta ring it up. Hey, office. We gotta ring it up. So, the original price was $50, right? Yeah. And now the sales price is $1,000,000 gajillion million, okay?
Man, that was close.
Yeah, so would you like to purchase this item?
Yeah, let me go get my purse.
Okay. Wow.
Well, I couldn't really find my purse.
Hey! You little sheeple! I got you trapped. No, anyways, it has a bomb in it, so who cares? And it's man-eating.